morning, children. Today we will read a new chapter, Mrs. Beck Tries a Hard Bargain by James Harriet. Actually, James Harriet is the pen name of James Alfred. He was a British veterinary surgeon and writer. He used his many years of experience as a veterinary surgeon. What is the meaning of veterinary surgeon is the person who treated the animals is called the doctor who treated the animals is called the veterinary surgeon. And because of his profession, whenever he wrote something or he is writing something, we can see a small impact of the animals will always be there in the presence of his handwriting in writings. Okay, in this chapter also we can see it's a story that surrounds a cat animal, which is cat in this story. And the title, what is the meaning of the title? It drives a hard bargain. It's a figure of speech. See, sometimes when we are going to a malls or a shopping places, there is a board that it's a fixed price, no bargaining will be there. But some customers are have their habit to bargain in every items. So here also the Mrs. Bake is the main character who bargain with a doctor for his surgery. It's a very interesting story. Let us proceed. Mrs. Bake drives a hard bargain. James Harriet was a veterinary surgeon practicing in a North Yorkshire, UK. Very often more than his animal patients. He had to deal with their demanding owners. He is a humorous account of one such animal owner. Means here the definition of the doctor. Which kind of doctor is James Harriet? Veterinary surgeon. He has a humorous nature, very demanding. Because of the jolly nature and the way he's treated the animals, he was very demanded in the New York, North Yorkshire in UK. Okay. Oh, I never thought you were such a heartless man. Mr. Harriet, her chin trembled and she looked up me disapprovingly. Means this line is we can understand this line is telling by Mrs. Bake. She was saying that I didn't think that you are a so famous doctor and you are such heartless. Heartless means the person who are not filled with emotions, means emotionless person. Mr. Harriet, her chin trembled. This line shows us that she's an old lady. She's an old lady because her chin trembled, is shaken out, and she looks up at disapprovingly. Means she was not very happy with me. Me is here, Mr. Harriet. But Mrs. Beck, I said, I assure you that I am not being heartless in the least. I just can't carry out a major operation of your cat for 10 shilling only. Here he explained himself. Who? Mr. Harriet, the doctor, explained himself. See, here we can understand with the conversation that she was bargaining for operating her cat, and the doctor was consoling her that it is not possible to do this major operation on her cat in a 10 shilling. See, the currency of the UK is pont, but जब coins हो जाते हैं like rupees में भी हमारे पास में coin होते हैं, तो वहाँ पे भी coins हो जाते हैं, that is called shillings. Okay, 10 shillings. Well, I thought you would do it for a poor lady, poor widow like me. Is another description of that lady, that she was widow, poor, and of course she wants to operate her cat with the famous veterinary surgeon Mr. Harriet in a 10 shillings only. I regarded her thoughtfully, looking at a small, neat figure, healthy cheeks, and the helmet of the grey hair. Here's the description of the lady, which which is seen by the doctor. The doctor was saying, Mr. Harriet was saying that she is looking very small, neat, and clean. Means the posture is very like rich lady, healthy cheeks, means reddish cheeks, and helmet of a gray hair, means she colored her hair also, gray hair is there. was really poor widow? It's a question for me. She was really a poor, or she is cheating with me? There was cause for doubt. For whom this is the cause for doubt? Mr. Harriet, of course. Her next door neighbor, Rayton Village, he had said once the doctor had met with her neighbor Rayton, and he was telling about that lady, that it's all a tale. Means she's what she's telling, it's all the stories. She is not at all the poor. She tries it on everybody, means because of she is aged woman and she's widow show. So every time she was telling lie, and she tries these things, these bargaining tricks to every person. But I'll tell you, she owns a lot of property, means she is having a lot of property, and she's not at all any poor lady. I took a deep breath. Mrs. Back, we do work at reduced rates for people who can't afford to pay. But in this case, here like some doctors are very generous, and he is also very generous, and he's saying that yes, of course, some peoples who can't afford these types of operations will reduce the money. But I don't think that you are so poor. You are cruel. She dabbed her eyes. Now she gets very angry, and she was saying that that you are so cruel. You can't understand my problem. And she dabbed. What is the meaning of dabbed here? Touch her eyes to wipe her tears. Means fake tears. Means she was pretending to wipe her tears, but actually she was not crying. As I told you, Mrs. Back, the only way is to operate on your cat at the charge is 1 pound. Means at last, if I reduce my rates, my charges, so there's the 1 pound you have to pay. But you are asking me to do it for half the price? That's ridiculous. This is a major operation under the anesthetic, and you just can't do a job like for the 10 shillings. Means now the doctor is also gets so a little bit angry, and he was saying that you are saying that only in 10 shillings, mean just half price I will do this major operation. And मतलब इस ऑपरेशन में मेरा बहुत एक्सपेंसेस भी जाएगा, मुझे एनेस्थेसिया भी देना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ एनेस्थेसिया? इज़ अ ड्रग. एक टाइप का ड्रग होता है डेट इज़ यूज टू मेक यू अनकॉन्शियस. मीन्स वाइल द डॉक्टर्स आर डूइंग सम ऑपरेशन, and because of the reduction of the pain they are giving the anesthesia, and after the anesthesia the people or the animal get into the unconscious way. And when you have to an operation, so that you don't feel any pain, means without any pain the operation had done successfully. So this is called anesthesia. You just can't do the job like for 10 shillings. This major operation, this expenses I cannot afford in the 10 shillings only. She turned and looked out the window, and her shoulders begins to shake. He won't even to take pity on the poor widow. This had been going for the 10 minutes. I soon realized that I was in the presence of a character far stronger than myself. It was becoming increasingly clear that I wasn't going to win this argument. After the 10 minutes argument with that lady, and she was acting like a poor widow, so the doctor was understand now that she is very strong. She has so many stories, and now I cannot beat her. So at last he was ready to do the operation of her cat in a 10 shillings, because he wants to stop this argument, and he was very fed up with their documents. Maybe some patients were waiting outside, so he was very in hurry, and he wants to stop this unworthy that argument. She swung round from the eyeside side. What is the meaning of side? Is deep breath. I take a deep breath, and maybe she's really very poor widow. All right, Mrs. Beck, I will do it for 10 shilling, just this once. Will Tuesday afternoon will be right for you? Okay. At last, finally they both agreed on the 10 shillings, and the doctor was saying on Tuesday I will do this operation. She swung. Swung means move. Like she, as the posture that is shown that she was looking at the window outside, and now after the confirmation by the doctor, she swung. She turned at once, and her face crinkling magically into a smile. She put some crinkles after the doctor was refusing to do the operation in the 10 shilling. She put some crinkles and make the pity face. Now after that doctor was agree to do the operation in the small amount, she was full of that in joyful nature, in turn to a smile. That will suit me, Grant. That's right kind of you. Just one thing I said as I held the front door open for her. Don't give Georgina any food from the midday on the Monday. She must have empty stomach when you bring her in. See, Georgina is the name of her cat. So doctor had given this instruction because it was a major operation. So he was saying that don't give anything to eat because operation will be due in the empty stomach only. Bring her in. She looked bewildered. What is the meaning of bewildered? Is confused, okay? But I haven't got a car. I thought you would be collecting her. Means now one more the demand she was doing that I don't have any car, so I am thinking that you, Mr. Harrod, the doctor, you will pick that cat from my house. Collecting? But Rayton 5 miles away. Okay, Rayton is the village of UK that is 5 miles away. That is very quite far from that Yorkshire from UK. And yes, and bring her back afterwards too. I have no transport. Now the lady was her demands were increasing. Now she was saying that you just pick that cat from my house and then again drop that cat, collect, operate on her, take her back, all for the 10 shillings. Only in the 10 shillings I have to collect that cat, then operate her, then again I had to take that cat back to you in the 10 shillings only. Well, that's what you agree to the charge, 10 shillings. But oh now you are starting again. The smile faded and she put her head on one side, and I am only a poor. Now she began to start acting again, and now she was saying that please don't start this argument again. Please collect that cat from my house and then operate her and then bring it back to me. Okay, okay, I said hesitantly. Means what is the meaning of hastily? Not hesitately, it's a hastily. What is the meaning of hastily? Hastily means is, see, sometimes very quickly means because he wants to stop that argument, he don't want to again start that these type of things. So he said okay, no problem, I'll call on Tuesday, I'll come Tuesday. When Tuesday afternoon came round, I regretted. What is the regretted meaning? Is feel sorry. I was very सी समटाइम्स मैं बहुत मुझे मेरे ऊपर ही बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था. माई सॉफ्टनेस. On my way out, I glanced through a open door of the sitting room. When I was in my way, I saw in the sitting room Tristan. Tristan was maybe the trainee. Some trainees were working under the experienced doctor. So Tristan was his trainee who was supposed to be studying, was sleeping soundly in his favorite chair. I shook him gently. Would you like to come to with me, Trist? I have got to pick a cat. Certainly, Jim, he said with a yawn. It will be a pleasure. Mrs. Beck lived halfway down the left side of the Rayton village. This is the way where the Mrs. Beck lived. Good afternoon, gentlemen, she said. I'm glad to see you both. The living room with good, solid looking furniture showed no sign of poverty. As the one man was saying that she is having so much property and she is not any kind of widow, she is not poor. And also when they went her house, and the first look they have seen, is very solid looking furniture, means it's a very properly managed house. I pointed to the cardboard box loosely tied with the string. Ah, good. You have got her in there, have you? Means, okay, very nice. If the cat in that box, and I will just collect this box and operate her, and I will give it back to you. No, bless you. She's in the garden. She usually play there in the afternoon. In the garden? I said nervously. Please get her in. We were in a bit of hurry, means because he was a very famous doctor and he was very generous too. After reading this conversation, we can understand that not any doctor can pick a animal from the person's house and then operate her and again to drop that animal to that person. He was very kind and generous. एंड समटाइम्स सी मोर देन हम ज़्यादा भले होते हैं तो लोग हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा उठाते हैं. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन दैट मिसेस बैक इज़ बार्गेनिंग अगेन एंड अगेन फॉर first she was bargained 1 pound to the 10 shillings. Now she is now she was putting her another demand to collect the cat and drop it back. And Georgina, where are you, my pet? Mrs. Beck sang aloud. Now she called her cat like Georgina, where are you? No cat appeared. She turned to me with a mischievous smile. I think the little imps playing a game with us. Imps, what is the meaning of imp? Is a mischievous creature. Means after now the doctor got very angry because he was very famous and he has do some many works, many surgeries maybe, and he was getting late also. uh, she does that, you know. Really, I said without enthusiasm. Well, I wish she would show herself. I really don't have much. At that moment, a very fat tabby darted from a patch of the flower, flew across the grass, and shot up a crooked tree. Tabby, what is the meaning of tabby? A cat which is very healthy, full of furs. A darted means move quickly in the flowers, and Tristan eyes gleaming picked up a couple of apple and from the grass and took aim. I'll soon shift her from there, Jim, he whispered. Means now that Tristan was saying that who is Jim here? James Harriet. Means Tristan was saying Jim as a short name of the James Harriet. Jim. I will pick that. I will aim that apple to the cat. Then that cat will drop down and will catch the cat. I grabbed his arm. Means Mr. Harriet grabbed his arm because he was so generous and he don't want that we'll aim a very happy ever to a poor cat and maybe they get that cat gets some harm. No trace, I hissed. You cannot do that. Put those things down. I will do it. You stay down here and try to catch her if she jumps. I began to climb the tree. Means that cat was, see, you can see in the picture what was happening at that time in the garden. They both gentlemen were waiting for the cat, and the poor lady, so called poor lady, was looking all these dramas. And now that doctor is very generous, he climbed up a tree to catch the cat. I did not foresee. Foresee means, what is the meaning of foresees? Means realize any trouble here. Puffing slightly, I reached on the top of the branch and extend a hand to crouching the animal. What is the crouching means? To catch, होल्ड, पकड़ने के लिए, है ना. मैंने उस एनिमल को पकड़ने के लिए अपना हाथ आगे किया. किटी हियर किटी, आई क्यूड. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ क्यूड? मीन्स मैंने उससे धीरे धीरे से आवाज़ से सॉफ्ट प्यार से बहुत बात करी थी. मैंने उसको बोला कि किटी किटी प्लीज़ कम हियर. Georgina eyed me coldly. Paw. The cat spat warningly, but I took no heed. Paw. She spat again and following with a lightning strike, which opened a bloody scratch across the back of my hand. What is the meaning here? कि जब मैं उसको पकड़ने जा रहा था तो उसने मुझे बहुत अच्छा लुक नहीं दिया, उस कैट ने उसने मुझे डराने की कोशिश की, बट हीड वो आई टुक नो हीड, लेकिन मैंने इसको पे कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया, मैंने इस पर कोई अटेंशन नहीं दिया. शी स्पैट अगेन एंड फॉलोइंग विद द लाइटनिंग स्ट्राइक. फिर उसने धीरे से मेरे हाथ पे, धीरे नहीं बहुत ज़ोर से मेरे हाथ पे एक ब्लडी स्क्रैच मीन्स एक स्ट्राइक कर दिया और मेरे हाथ पूरा खून से भर चुका था. नाउ फ्रॉम बिलो मिसिस बैक गेव अ टिंकलिंग लाफ. और ये सब देखने के बाद में भी जो मिसिस बैक थी उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, वो भी हंसे जा रही थी. ओ इजंट शी अ लिटिल मंकी, शी इज़ दैट प्लेफुल ब्लेस हर. मीन्स नाउ उसको पता नहीं है कि वो डॉक्टर इतने बिजी हैं, वो मुझे लेने, वो उस कैट को लेने आए हैं, बट अभी भी वो अपनी कैट को ही बोल रही है शी इज़ वेरी पुअर. द लिटिल क्रिएचर ट्रिप्ड टू द एंड ऑफ द ब्रांच एंड as it bent low under the weight she dropped lightly on the grass. Means वो नीचे गिर गई cat. Tristan caught her by the hind leg. What is the hind leg? Means back leg. Tristan ने उसको caught कर लिया. Georgina whipped round and immediately sank her teeth into his thumb. After howl of agony. What is the howl of agony? Means loud. Tristan swiftly caught her by the scruff of her neck. Now the finally Tristan was able to catch that cat by her neck. Right, Jim? Tristan called happily. I have her. I took another 10 minutes to put Georgina into the box, but even with the several yards of the rough twine round the floppy cardboard box, I still didn't feel very secure as I took her to the car. Means she was very mischievous cat like that lady also. We can compare that both of the female character. And Mr. Harriet, I hope you will be gentle with her, Mrs. Beck said anxiously. She was very timid, you know. Now she was saying, by looking that she put a scratch mark on that doctor, she was very mischievous. Now the Mrs. Beck was saying that she is very timid, afraid. Even on the operating table, Georgina was up to these tricks. Means she was very violently. That cat was very violently in nature. She had held her breath while the anesthesia mask was on her face, then jumped up when we thought she was asleep. Tristan and I were sweating by the time she finally went under. Went under means finally we took a breath when anesthesia get work on her and she got unconscious. Then we operate that cat peacefully. I was exhausted by that time. That day was very exhausting for that doctor in the 10 shillings only. I put the sleeping clad cat into the box and set off. My only hope was that Georgina would not wake up before I reached the return. Means now they operated that cat, they put again into the box, and now they bring that cat back to the return in that village. I have a sigh of relief when I saw Mrs. Beck in her garden. Mrs. Beck took Georgina from with me and cried of a horror when she saw the stitches. Oh my darling, what have those nasty men been doing with you? Means now instead of giving any thank you, she was very angry. Mrs. Beck was very angry. She was sitting in her garden. Mr. James Harriet gave that cat to the Mrs. Beck, but after seeing the stitches, because operation was there, so it is very obvious that stitches marks will be there. So now she instead of saying any thank you, she was saying that these dirty men have done what they have done for you. She is very fine, Mrs. Beck. I said she can't have any she can have some milk tonight and some solid food tomorrow. There is nothing to worry about. Means here is nothing to worry about. You don't be worry about that thing. Okay. Now she is saying she's very, now the doctor assured her that she's very fine, Mrs. Beck. She can have some milk tonight and some solid food tomorrow. There is nothing to worry about. She gave me a sideway glance. And now I suppose you will win to your money. Means now the doctor was waiting for the 10 shilling. Well, I felt physically and emotionally tired. Now the doctor is explaining himself that बहुत tough काम था इसको operate करना. Wait here, then I'll get it. She turned and went into the house. अभी भी उसने कोई thank you वाला look नहीं दिया मिसेस बैक ने, और वो घर के अंदर चली गई. I watched her as she came down the path. She was carrying a purse. At the gate, she stopped and looked at me. 10 shilling, wasn't it? हाँ, 10 shilling. That's right. She rummaged. What is the meaning of rummaged? Means searching something. है ना, अपने पर्स में वो एक प्रिटेंडिंग कर रही थी कि वो 10 shillings ढूंढ रही हैं और उनके पास है नहीं. She sighed, what an expensive treatment. Again, instead of any gratitude manner, she was saying, she was means she was not happy, she was not delighted. Instead of giving any gratitude to that doctor, she was saying it's very expensive treatment. Tentatively, doubtly, means hesitatingly, I began to extend my hand, बट शी पुल्ड द नोट अवे. मैंने हाथ बढ़ाया पैसे लेने के लिए. मीन्स जेम्स हैरेट ने अपना हाथ आगे किया अपना पैसे लेने के लिए, बट उन्होंने वापस से वो 10 shillings का नोट अपने पीछे ले लिया. जस्ट अ मिनट, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग समथिंग. यू हैव टू टेक द स्टिचेस आउट. तुम्हें तो स्टिचेस निकालने भी तो होंगे. यस, क्या होता है ऑपरेशन, व्हेन वी ऑपरेट समवन तो वो स्टिचेस रिमूव भी करने होते हैं. यस, इन 10 days. वेल, देयर इज अ प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम. देन यू विल बी हियर अगेन. मीन्स अगेन शी वॉज बार्गेनिंग. अगेन वो बार्गेनिंग कर रही हैं और वो कह रही हैं कि तुम दोबारा आना, इसको लेके जाना और इसके स्टिचेस रिमूव करना, उसके बाद मैं 10 shilling दूंगी. हियर अगेन, बट यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट मी टू. इतना तो मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. आई ऑलवेज थिंक इट इज़ अनलकी टू पे बिफोर अ टास्क इज़ फिनिशिंग. अब नाउ शी इज़ गिविंग अनदर स्टेटमेंट, और वो स्टेटमेंट क्या था कि मैं विश्वास नहीं करती कि जब तक पूरा काम नहीं हो जाए और उससे पहले मैं पे करूँ. what if something happened to जॉर्जिना. अगर इस दौरान इन 10 days के दौरान अगर जॉर्जिना को कुछ हो गया तो मैं तुम्हें कहाँ ढूंढूंगी. She replaced the money and snapped the purse shut with the air to finality. What is the meaning of air to finality? Behavior conveying that this discussion is over. Means she don't want to discuss anymore, and the final discussion has reached. When you remove the stitches, then she will pay the 10 shillings only. Before turning towards the house, halfway up the path, she looked over her shoulder and smiled. Means उसने डिस्कशन वहीं ओवर कर दिया और घर के अंदर जाने लगी. उसने कोई ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं दिया, नथिंग. नीदर शी सेड एनी थैंक यू, नॉर शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट डॉक्टर्स डीड. आई विल पे यू व्हेन यू विल कम बैक. मतलब मैं तुम्हें तभी पे करूँगी जब तुम वापस आओगे. मीन्स दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. आई थिंक एन एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द ऑल क्रिएचर्स ग्रेट एंड स्मॉल बाय द जेम्स हैरेट. इन्होंने खुद ने एक मतलब सेमी बायोग्राफी लिखी थी और उसमें से एक्सट्रैक्ट लिया गया है. एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. सो होमवर्क इज़ फॉर यू. जस्ट लर्न द हार्ड मीनिंग्स which is given in the pink box and write in your notebook. Okay, I hope you had understand all this. What is the meaning of that chapter? Line to line explanation has done. Okay, thank you.